All right, everyone, welcome to the end of day one of the July Portfolio Master Challenge. We're calling this one AI in July. And the reason for that is we've changed the rules a little bit. Every time the rules will update. So if you're a repeat contender, make sure you're checking up on those rules just to make sure you know what's going on. This time, all of the trades have to come from Holly, our artificial intelligence engine that suggests trades all day long. Now, it doesn't have to necessarily be today's trades. It can be trades over the last few days. You'll find all of those in the Holly AI channel. The idea is that we're trying to limit everybody to a group of symbols that we know have some edge and see if that boosts overall performance. And also, by forcing people to trade the same symbols, create some really good gamification where everybody needs to play in the same playground, and we see who does best with the tools provided. So let's get into what we saw here on day one. A lot of action, a crazy amount of trading going on. We saw some old winners. We have Lazar and we have Oliver. These are recent winners. And then a whole bunch of new names, people that I don't recognize, which we love to see. There's always new contenders. There's always repeat contenders. Now, remember, we will go in and audit to make sure that every single trade has come from the AI over the last 30 days. If it is not, that person will be disqualified, and then we'll be moving on to the next person. So this leaderboard can change dramatically due to that reason, also to trading reasons. A big trade that people were playing here, if we go into this list right here, which also I should talk about for a second. If you go to our website and you go to the trading competition right here, you can see that we create for you a list of what people are trading. The good trades, the bad trades, you'll see it all here. A couple really interesting names. One was this IVP, which had a little bit of a sell-off and a push back up, and I know a lot of people were trading this MIRA. This Mira, this was an AI call way back here a couple days ago, and it really spiked, and now it's looking like it may be coming down. So we saw a bunch of people short this name. Yours truly also short this as well. So I may make it to the leaderboard if we have some sort of gap down overnight, because reminder, you can trade these things as day trades or as swing trades. So for more of this content, make sure you're coming over to trade-ideas.com, compete in the challenge, potentially win yourself $3,000.